All right, let's dive right into this explainer, because what we're unpacking today, it's an absolute lifesaver. Seriously, if you feel like you're doing literally everything right, showing up, putting in the hours, doing the hard work, but your reality just isn't shifting, you need to listen very, very closely to this. We're breaking down the biological wealth secret. This is the absolute core, the hidden reason why your grinding, endless hard work just isn't translating into the wealth and the freedom you actually deserve.
Are you working 24/7? You're exhausted, right? You're constantly on the clock, sacrificing sleep, sacrificing your relationships, and just your own peace of mind. You're caught in this endless, grinding hustle cycle that is absolutely dragging you straight into a brick wall of burnout. Every single day feels like you're pushing a massive boulder up a mountain, only to have it roll right back down before you can even catch your breath.
And wow, here's the absolute most painful part. Despite all that sweat and all those tears, are you still broke? Or maybe you've hit a ceiling and you're just totally stuck. You've tried literally every new business strategy out there. You bought the expensive courses. You built every single complicated marketing funnel the gurus told you to build. But your bank account? It's practically frozen in ice. The needle just will not move. It's completely maddening, right? It makes you want to tear your hair out.
So, want to know why? Okay, take a breath right now. Seriously, let your shoulders drop. Stop blaming yourself, because the hustle advice you've been fed your entire life, it's a dangerous trap. It is actively destroying your sanity, and it's draining your life force. And more importantly, you have to realize it's not your fault that the old way isn't working. You've basically been playing a game where the rules are literally rigged against your own body. See, there's this massive, fundamental contrast between hustle strategy and nervous system safety. And here is the mind-blowing secret we're unpacking today. You really need to hear this. Your financial blocks, they're not strategic. They are biological. Let me say that again for you. They are biological. Your nervous system is literally hitting the brakes on your income to keep you safe. You are actually fighting a war against your own primitive survival mechanisms.
Your body actually rejects new wealth. Now, why on earth would it do that? Well, because your primitive, subconscious brain views anything unfamiliar as a dangerous threat. It genuinely does not matter if you consciously, desperately want more money. It doesn't matter if you've pasted $1 million check on your vision board. To your nervous system, new equals danger. So your biology outright rejects it. It triggers a fight or flight response. It literally forces you to procrastinate on the big tasks, or it triggers you to hyper-hustle on all the wrong things just to keep you in a familiar, struggling state that it actually recognizes as safe. Crazy, right? It prefers familiar pain over unfamiliar success.
Entrepreneur Jamie C. puts this reality into a massive paradigm shift. She says strategy is really only running 5% of your business. Everything else is you. Really think about the weight of that statement. 5%? The ultimate shortcut to wealth is not a new marketing funnel, it's not a better ad campaign, and it's for sure not another productivity app. The true shortcut, the one that actually changes your reality, is fixing your internal biological game.
So let's understand exactly how this works by looking at your wealth container and the 5 hidden money blocks.
Inside this container, there are 5 specific triggers: visibility, loyalty, responsibility, ease, and identity. Your specific wealth container dictates exactly what your body feels safe enough to hold, to expand, and to keep. These 5 things, they aren't just buzzwords. These are the specific, hidden layers that are secretly acting as tripwires, blocking your financial abundance right now without you even realizing it. The second you hit one of these tripwires, boom, your nervous system shuts down the money flow.
Let's look at the biggest culprits here. Block number 1 is responsibility. This is that hyper-independent need to do everything entirely alone. You completely refuse to let support in. You think you have to carry the whole world, your business, and your family on your shoulders. You're just white-knuckling your success. You micromanage every single detail because trusting someone else, well, it just feels too dangerous. And this is draining all of your life force energy, leaving absolutely zero room for actual wealth to enter your life.
Then we have block number 2, which is loyalty. This one's huge. It's a deeply unconscious biological fear of outgrowing your pack. It's that primitive fear that if you succeed, if you make too much money, you're going to outgrow your friends and your family, and you'll ultimately be rejected and left all alone. So, what does your nervous system do to protect you? You unconsciously sabotage your own success. You shrink yourself down, you charge way less than you're worth, just so you can continue to belong.
Now we pivot to the missing key, the major shift we need to make, the art of receiving. Because making money is actually a process of receiving, not just doing more. So let me ask you point blank, how do you take a compliment? When someone says they love your shirt or that you did a phenomenal job on a project, do you immediately deflect it? Do you brush it off or minimize your achievements? Notice that reaction in your body right now. That slight tension, that discomfort. Yeah, that is your nervous system resisting receiving.
And here is why that matters so much. If you deflect praise, you deflect money. It's a high-stakes biological connection. If you have an inability to be witnessed, to be celebrated, and to simply say thank you without guilt, well, that translates directly to your body. It tells your nervous system to actively reject financial abundance. You're basically throwing up a giant stop sign to the universe, telling it that it is just not safe for you to hold on to good things.
But here is the ultra-simple path to fixing this once and for all. Step 1, notice the fear in your body when wealth or praise comes your way. Just acknowledge it without judgment. Step 2, stop forcing the hustle. When you feel that frantic need to work 24/7 out of sheer panic, you have to step away. You got to break the cycle. And step 3, find your full body yes. We are moving away from forced, fear-based action. We are stepping into aligned momentum, making decisions that actually feel incredibly safe, expansive, and powerful in your body. When your nervous system feels safe, the floodgates to wealth swing wide open.
So ask yourself, how much longer are you willing to let a biological glitch keep you broke and exhausted when the key to unlocking your wealth is already inside you? Look, don't just watch this. You need the right tools to actually shift your reality. Go to manifestatormind.com right now, get your mindset blueprints, and start changing your life tonight. The link is right below.